If you're trying to decide between LeadPages and Divi for your next website or landing page, you're in the right place. Both tools promise to help you build high-converting pages, but which one really stands out? In this video, we're going to break down the pros and cons of LeadPages versus Divi, and by the end, I'll show you the best alternative for your needs. Let's start with LeadPages. This tool is known for its simplicity and user-friendly interface. It's perfect for beginners who need to create landing pages quickly. You've got a drag-and-drop builder, a solid selection of templates, and integrations with major email marketing platforms like MailChimp and ActiveCampaign. However, it does come with a bit of a catch. For one, it lacks the level of design flexibility that you might expect for more advanced users. If you're looking to create a completely custom design, you might hit some limitations. Another downside is that the pricing can quickly add up, especially if you want advanced features like A/B testing and more integrations. Now, moving over to Divi. Divi is a much more powerful, flexible option, especially if you're building a WordPress site. It offers a visual builder that lets you create everything from landing pages to full websites with unlimited design possibilities. You can design pretty much anything your imagination can come up with. But here's the catch: Divi has a steeper learning curve. If you're just getting started, it can be a bit overwhelming. Additionally, it lacks some of the built-in features that LeadPages offers, like landing page templates and easy-to-integrate email tools. If you want a fully featured website builder with all the bells and whistles, Divi might be your best bet, but it does require more time to master. Next thing to consider: pricing. LeadPages starts at $37 a month, and that's just for the basic plan. If you want more advanced features, like email trigger links or better reporting, you're looking at $79 a month. Compare that to Divi, which offers a one-time payment of $249 for lifetime access. Divi also has a yearly subscription, which is $89 a year. While LeadPages is more affordable month to month, Divi's lifetime deal could save you money in the long run if you're looking for a more robust tool. The fourth thing we need to touch on is the customization options. LeadPages comes with pre-built templates, and while they look good, they're limited in terms of design flexibility. Divi, on the other hand, gives you complete freedom. Whether you're designing a landing page or a full-fledged website, Divi's visual editor allows for more precise control over your design elements, layouts, and functionality. If you're someone who needs full creative freedom, Divi is the winner here. And let's not forget speed and performance. LeadPages is optimized for landing pages, so they load pretty fast, but Divi's pages can sometimes be a bit heavier due to all the design elements and scripts. While Divi allows you to create high-performing websites, it might not always match the speed you get with LeadPages. So, which one should you choose? It really comes down to your needs. If you're just looking for fast, simple, high-converting landing pages, LeadPages is a solid option. However, if you're building a more complex website with unique designs, and you're willing to put in the effort to learn the tool, Divi might be more suited to your goals. Now, before we wrap up, I want to let you in on something special. Through our link, you'll get access to an exclusive and extended free trial to a tool that combines the best of both worlds: the ease of use of LeadPages with the customization of Divi and more. Plus, we've added some amazing alternatives that might be a better fit for your goals, and they come with their own free trials. These options have been handpicked to help you build better websites and landing pages faster. Check the link in the description to get started with the best free trial available. You won't find these benefits anywhere else.